Let me share my screen. I'll close in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, don't worry, guys. Okay, and Sudarshan, you got the permission. Okay, right. Okay, so every command we have to run on any database. Every command, okay, without selecting the database. Of course, by default, every command will run master database. Why? Because by default, master will be selected here. Which database is selected here? All the queries will run on the database. In case your table is created in the model database, but you are running the table on the, you are running the query on the master database, which will give you the error. Okay, you can also run in another way. Okay, without selecting the database here, you can run, say for example, your table is created in the model database, the table name is student. Okay, you can go like this without selecting the database name here, without writing the query here. You can also go like this, select star from student. Okay, first you have to give the database name model dot, you have to give the schema name dbo dot, you have to give the table name. Okay, sometimes developers will run the queries like this also. Don't ask on which database I have to run the query. In case if you don't see the database name, every database, every table, the complete name is like this. Okay, database name dot schema name dot object name. Okay, so in case if you run like this, okay, if you run like this, no need to select the database here and no need to run the query here also. Simply you can run this query. Okay,
Excuse me.
yes.
How do you get to know about schema here, like
Schema,
DBO?
I'll tell you. Okay, schema, if you go to the databases, usually, okay, you will have schemas. Okay, most of the schemas you will have a default schema. Okay, dbo is the default schema. So on the, in front of the table name, you will have the schema name. Okay, I guess there are no tables in the model database. Let me go with the
And
master.
one more question. So
Yes,
these databases, like the master, other model, and rest all, they just
yes.
got installed automatically,
Yes,
right?
yes, automatically you will get the system that these are all the system databases. I didn't tell you how to
Okay.
create a user database. In the tomorrow session, I'll
Yeah.
show you how to create user
Okay.
databases and all. The 4
Yeah.
system databases, actually you will get 5 system databases: master, model, MSDB, TempDB, and resource database. Resource database you cannot see in the management studio as it is a hidden database. Okay,
Right.
these system databases will come along with your installation. No need to create these things. Okay, tomorrow I'll show
Okay.
you how to create a user databases. Okay,
Okay.
so if you see here every table, okay, if you see here in front of each table, you will see the schema name. Okay, in front
Right.
of each table you will see the schema name here, dbo dot table name, dbo dot table name. Dbo is the schema name here. You
Okay.
can create your own schemas also. These are the default schemas.
Yeah. We
Okay,
know about all how to
yes,
say that. Yeah.
yes. Any other questions, please? Right, so in this way you can write the multiple ways we can run the queries. One is you can select here and you can run the queries, and one is you can write this command, use database name, like this also. Don't think use master means don't run every time use master. This is just an example. In case you want to run queries on your own database, you have created some sales database, use sales. You have created some employee database, use employee. So depends upon your requirement, you have to change the database name as well.
Yes, Shanmugh, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
In production, I have the two production databases.
Okay.
In that, this scenario is work select star from student model underscore dbo underscore student.
Yes, of course.
Two separate production database. Why? Because in security related, everyone is not able to access the tables and everything. No?
Yes. Yes, everyone cannot access every table. Okay, depends upon their requirement. We are going to give the permissions.
Okay, you can create schemas and
Yeah. We can
everything.
create our own
It is
schemas.
similar like DB link, na?
Yes, that's it. Automatically, like creation of schema is also you can create using either as GUI method or query method. You can create the schemas also. Whatever schema you want, you can create the schemas also.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear? Any doubts? Any questions, please? Is it clear, everyone? Please. If it is clear, okay, I'll stop the session for today. Tomorrow I'll
One more
tell
thing,
you.
yeah. Shanmugh,
Yes,
after
yes.
closing the section, can you please stop the MySQL server?
You want me to stop the SQL server? Don't call
Yeah,
MySQL. Okay, MySQL is different, MS SQL is
yeah,
different.
MSS,
Ours is MS
MSS,
SQL. Okay. Yes, in case you want to
MSS.
stop it, okay, you can stop either multiple ways. One is either you can go from the services.msc, right click, stop it. Okay, you can stop, or select the service, you can stop it. This is one way. Go to configuration manager, go to SQL Server Services. This is the main service. Again, right click, stop, or select the service. Okay, here this is the stop button. Go to Management Studio, right click, you can stop it. Okay, this is another. These are the three ways. You can also stop the SQL server from the command prompt also. Command prompt, you have to type net stop SQL server, net start MS SQL server. If you type like this, default instance will be stopped. Okay, so it is asking yes or no. Okay, you want me to stop the agent as well? I will type yes. Why? Okay, then the SQL services are going to be stopped now. Okay, now you see SQL services are stopped. Now if you see here, if the SQL services are up and running, you can see a green button here, a green play button here. If the SQL server is stopped, you can see red button here. Just wait, the status will be changed for database engine and the agent also. Okay, you can see now the status will be changed. And in case you want to see configuration manager, okay, just refresh it. Currently it is showing as running, right? But if you refresh it, you can see it is stopped state. Okay, in case you want to start it, right click start or select the service. This is the play button, you can start. You can again start from the services.msc. Okay, just right click refresh, you can see the SQL services will be in stopped state. Okay, either you can right click start or select the service, you can click on the start button. Okay, or else you can start from the Management Studio as well. Now if I refresh, I'll get the error. Why? Because refresh is also one command, guys. Remember, refresh is also one command. As currently SQL server is not up and running, where the command will be executed. So now if you run the refresh also, you will get the error now. Okay, you see here, the network related instance, the connection is broken and recovery is not possible. Okay, so why? Because okay, the server is down, so that's why you cannot see the, okay, you cannot connect to the server. And you can also get, actually you will get the red status here, red mark here. Okay, right, but it is not showing. Let me refresh again. If you refresh from any way, it will show you the red button and refresh won't work. Okay, and you can again start from the command prompt also. The command to start the SQL server is net start MS SQL server. Okay, you have to give the instance name. In our case, MS SQL server is the instance name. You cannot give the computer name for default instance. Yeah, see here, it was stopped, right? See here, red mark. Okay, and now I just run net start MS SQL server. Okay, service is started successfully. Now if you run the refresh button, now it will be refreshed. Okay, guys, is it clear? Any issues, any doubts? Okay, again you can start the agent as well. Right click start.
Shanmugh, one more thing. In which location the logs will be generated in the database? Start and start.
I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. There is a different discussion on that logs. Okay, I'll tell you where you can see the logs. Everything, not start and stop. Every SQL Server logs will be generated in a error log file. There you can find when the SQL Server has been restarted and all. Okay, clear? Any doubts?
And one more thing, Shanmugh. In SQL Server Configuration Manager, why SQL Server browser is showing the state stop state?
Yes, very good. Okay, why it is showing as stopped state means usually we won't use this browser service in the organization. Browser service will help you to enable the server in the network. Okay, for the security reasons, browser service will be down for most of the instances. So don't worry, good question. Don't worry in case if the browser service is down, don't worry at all. There is no relation to the SQL server and browser service. In case if the browser is down, there is no impact on the SQL server. This will simply help you to identify the server in the network. That's it. Okay, most of the servers browser service will be stopped state only.
In real time also, in organization also
Yes, in
same.
organization also same. 99% it will be in stopped state only.
If we will start, no problem.
No problem. If it is start state, you can find the service. Okay, you can find the instance name. Sometimes in the organization, earlier we have discussed, developers can't connect to the server remotely. Okay, simply we'll install management studio in the user's laptop. We won't give RDP permissions to the users. Okay, we won't give RDP permissions to the users. Only DBAs and Microsoft Windows team people will have RDP permissions. Okay, they can directly do the RDP to the server and they can directly log in, but developers cannot log in like this. Simply we will install the client in their machine, in their laptop. Just will install SSMS in their work laptop, or we can call it as a workstation. We will install SSMS in their workstation. Then they will open SSMS in the local. Then they will open the management studio from here. Then they will give the server name. Okay, by using SQL Server authentication, they can connect to the SQL Server. Okay, so in that case, if you want to find out the server in the network path, then your browser service will be helpful for that. Got it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? Is it clear? As of now, is it clear? And here I can see lot of queries, right? So in case if I don't select any query, I can run the query execute button now, but it will execute all the queries. Okay, it will throw the output for this, it will throw the error for this, and it will throw the error for this. It will change the database name. See here, I'll change it to TempDB. Okay, and it will throw the error for this. Means you will get 3 errors, 2 changes. Okay, let me run it. Okay, right, you can see the incorrect syntax. Okay, if you double click on it, it will tell you where exactly the error. Okay, double click on it, it will highlight you the error, the last error. And you see here it was changed from TempDB to master. Sorry, earlier it was master, right? So it has to execute. Okay, it is only taking consider of. Okay, that's fine. In case in you have 4-5 queries, you want to execute a specific query, select the query like this and you can execute it. Select the query like this. Okay, simply you can execute it. If you don't select any query, it will try to execute all the queries. Fine. Any issues, any doubts? Right, so if there are no doubts, that's it for today. Okay, right, and tomorrow we are going to, okay, discuss about the management studio, basics of management studio and all. Tomorrow I'll show you how to create a database, how to create a table. Okay, what is meant by column, rows, everything we'll discuss in tomorrow's session. Is it clear, guys? Any issues, any doubts, please let me know.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, we require actually that recording session, sir, so that
yes,
we will
yes.
go through that, we will download it, sir.
Yes. Still, you can watch the same session in my YouTube channel. All the sessions
Okay.
up to 20 classes I have uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, up to 20 classes. Maybe you cannot find the same sessions what we have discussed today, but the same topic what we have discussed earlier for a different batch, you can find the same videos. Again, don't depend on me, guys. I am giving you the recording permissions. That's why I'm giving you the recording permissions. Usually I'll be busy with the support things, and also sometimes I have to rename the videos. I have to send it to you, which will take time. So that's why usually you will get videos little bit later after completion of the classes, weekend classes. Okay, that's why I'm giving you the recording permissions. Those who don't have recording permissions, yes, it is important. Still you can access the videos. Go to the videos SQL DBA classes channel in the YouTube. Okay, if you go to the YouTube, just simply type SQL DBA classes. Okay, go.
Venkatraman,
Yes,
you,
yes,
you said you will share some notes as well.
I'll share it. Okay, I'll
Kind of
share it.
notes, so it will be like related to videos only.
Videos only means I'll share these notes. Okay. Earlier we have discussed, right, versions and all, SQL Server versions, Windows Server versions. Okay, components of the SQL Server, CTP, RC, RTM, additions,
note?
components. Yeah, I'm going to share these notes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And again, you can access the same videos. Go to the YouTube. Okay, and just type the SQL DBA classes. Okay. Then you can see this channel SQL DBA classes with the 3 black servers, 1000 subscribers. Go to this channel, go to the video section. Okay, there you can see classes. Okay, go to the red banners, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. Okay, class again, if you want to see the specific topic, go down little bit. Okay, SQL Server Part 2 installation, instance aware, create database. We'll have a discussion on SSMS as well. Okay, there is a separate class, separate video discussion on SSMS like that. Okay, you can easily find out here. Control F, SSMS
What
management.
is that? Conferring database mail.
That is a separate feature, extra feature. We'll discuss about the database configuration mail. Okay. See here, SQL Server Management Studio. This is the discussion on SQL Server Management Studio. Means
This
today's
is
class.
today's question.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah, SQL Server Management Studio. This is also SQL Server Management Studio, which was uploaded 1 month back. Okay, so you can find the videos up to next 2-3 weeks. You can find all the videos in my YouTube channel. But still, I don't want to skip it. I'll still send the videos, which will take some time. Okay, fine, clear, everyone.
సార్
Any
వర్చువల్
issues?
బాక్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడానికి లింక్
Yes.
షేర్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు సార్.
Virtual box, yes, I'll share you the link. I'll share you the link. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Today you will get
ఆ
the
లింక్
song.
నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇన్స్టాల్ అవ్వచ్చా మరి?
No. Download means you can only download. Okay. You have to download it and you have to copy the software. I mean, like, of course, it will be downloaded in your downloads. Copy to any of the software folders and you can open it and you can install it. Okay. Clear? Any issues, any doubts? Right, that's fine. Okay, so in case of any issues, you can ping me to my WhatsApp number. I will be available. Okay, so if in case I'm not responding, try to call me. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. We'll discuss
So
then
during the
important.
weekdays, during the weekdays, what is the convenient time to contact you?
During the weekdays, huh?
Yes,
During
yes.
the weekdays, you can, for the next 1-2 months, I'll be in the morning shift. Okay, you can call me after 4, like that, 4 p.m. But in case if it is urgent, just send me a message in the WhatsApp. I'll check. Better try to, okay, ping me with the screenshot so that it will be helpful. I can easily get back to you, okay, with the solution. Okay, clear? Yes, honey. Is it clear? Anything issues? Any suggestions? Any updates you want to give? You want to share?
No.
So fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Please, any suggestions? In case of any suggestions, you can tell me now, or else like you can send me using WhatsApp. You can send me a WhatsApp message as well. Okay, if there are no queries, then I'm going to close the session for today. We'll meet tomorrow 7:30 a.m. IST. Okay, thank you all.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.